Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Transcend unboxing. So this just came in the mail today. It is so nasty and so rainy outside. So yeah, this definitely brightened up my day just a little bit. So let's get into it. If you are not familiar with Trendsend, it is a monthly clothing subscription service, very similar to Stitch Fix or Mix and Match or Trunk Club or any of those, and that you get a box once a month, or you can get them a little bit sooner with Transcend. You can request one more often than that. But Transcend is a little bit different in that there's not a styling fee. So you don't have the $25 styling fee that you normally have with some of the other subscription services. And you get 3 complete outfits. So it's pretty cool. You get 3 bundles, and each bundle has an outfit. Now the outfit may be a dress and a necklace, or it could be shorts and a top. And typically what I find is I get more than 3 outfits in my Transcend. So sometimes there'll be like 1 pair of pants and 2 tops. So really you can get like 2 outfits out of that. I really like Transcend. I don't think I've ever sent a Transcend back and not bought something from it, because they are higher end brands like Seven, Citizens, Brave, all of those. They can be a little bit pricier, so I don't think I've ever kept an entire Transcend, but I usually at least keep something in there. So when you get your box, a box like this, it's got an envelope just like a regular any other subscription service, and then there's 3 bundles inside. So I'm going to open up my envelope, and I think that somebody used my referral code again, so I get 20% off of anything in my box this month. So whoever used my referral code, thank you so much. So you get a kind of a description page that has the description of each outfit, and then you also get a price sheet that has everything broken down. So my note says, "Hi Jennifer, this box is so much fun. From business to weekend lounging, we have you covered. Great transitional colors through late summer to early fall." So you can leave requests on your Transcend as well if there's certain pieces that you want, or there's certain things that you need in your wardrobe. You can leave requests. I think for this one, I just said I'm really trying to get more into like fall transition pieces. So things that I can wear now when it's still hot, because it's just now August. So August is a really hot month here in North Carolina. And then also things that I can wear like, you know, in the fall and winter or whatever. So I think that's the only like note or request that I left for her. So outfit 1, you know what, I'm just gonna pull out the bundles because sometimes the outfits are mixed up. So I'll just pull out the bundles and then we'll go from there. So this first bundle is a big bundle. So that's a lot of clothes in there. So let's see what this is. This has got to be outfit 3 because there's like 4 pieces in here. So it says outfit 3, this is comfy casual outfitting. The shorts and tee are a great day around the house. We noticed you love the camo Spanx leggings. Okay, you guys. So in one of my Transcends, and she says, so here's the next best pair, the black. Okay, so one of my Transcends, they included these Spanx camo leggings. And when I first pulled them out, I was like, no, there's no way. I'm not, like, they won't fit. They're going to be too small. Those are by far my most worn and my favorite leggings that I have. And I know you're going to think camo, but they're like a very muted camo print. And they look so good with like turquoise or like a red sweater or something like that. They're super, super cute. I wear them to the gym, I wear them around the house, everywhere. Okay, so I'm pretty excited that they sent me some black ones. You will wear these every weekend and while working at home. The thin sweatshirt can be worn with the leggings or the shorts. Lots of mix and match options. The necklace would also complement the colors in this tee. Okay, so I love mix and match stuff. I love to get things that I can mix and match, not just with the box, but what I already have in my closet. So I'm excited. Okay, so here are the Spanx leggings. They feel exactly like the camo ones. So they're super thick. They've got this really wide waistband at the top, so they like suck everything in. They're very, very flattering. Yeah, they're just great. I already know that I'm gonna love these and probably keep them because they're worth the money. And they're thick enough, they're almost like a jegging. They're thick enough to where, like, you can totally wear them, like, to buy groceries or whatever, run errands, and you don't feel like you're exposed. So I really love those. Let's see how much they are right now. $54.40, and that's with my 20% off. So yes, they're expensive, but they're just really lovely. I really like those. Okay, so the next thing is a pair of level 99 Helen shorts. Oh, these are cute. They're like a, let's see what color they're saying this is. Nocturnal. They're really cute. So they have like a notch on the side. They're elastic in the back, but flat front. And they're not like a navy blue, but they're not a turquoise either. They're a very pretty color. Like, I do not have any shorts this color, so I really like those. And those are $68.99, but $55.19 with my 20% discount. Okay, oh, this is so cute. Okay, just a little gray tee with like a rainbow print at the top. And this is the Allison Joy, and I have several Allison Joy things, and I really, really like them. $19.99 rainbow tee in heather gray, size small. Really cute. So she says to pair this with those shorts, which will look really cute. And the last thing in this bundle is the Olive and Oak Dakota pullover, $49.60. And you guys, this feels like butter. I'm not even kidding you. It is so soft, and it's thin. Like, this will be the perfect like fall pullover. Super excited about that. And I love pullovers with this like cow neckline. That's my favorite. Very, very cute. Okay, so far I love everything. All right, so what she was saying was, like, you could totally wear these Spanx leggings, obviously, with the pullover, or you could wear the pullover with these shorts, would be adorable, or you could wear the t-shirt with the shorts, or the t-shirt with the leggings. So that's like several outfits right there that you could kind of mix and match those. So very good. All right, the next bundle looks like this. And this looks like some pants. Okay, so this is outfit 1. It says this is a great business casual outfit to carry you through early fall. You will love the fit of these black jeans. They have a high waist, which provides so much comfort. The sleeveless top has a smocked mock neck, which will be great on hot days, and a cardigan or jacket for a cooler fall day. You can also wear the jeans casual, roll the cuff, and add a tee and sneakers for a put together weekend look. Super cute. Okay, so the jeans are $7, so I know they're going to be expensive. They're $135.20. It's quite a bit for jeans. They're black, high waist. This is the Blair. They're stretchy. Yeah, I really like those. Really cute. And I like high waist or mid-rise. I don't like anything lower than a mid-rise. But these are really, really soft. They don't even feel like jeans, really. They feel like some other material. I'm not even sure what, but they don't even feel like jeans. Really pretty, okay? And then, oh my gosh. Oh, this top is gorgeous. Can you guys see these colors? That is like the perfect fall top. That would be so pretty with like an orange cardigan, or you could do a cream colored cardigan with that. You could do so much, or a denim jacket even. Really pretty. So this is the Brave. I have several Brave tops too from Stitch Fix or from Trendsend, and I really like them. The Ellie button front tank, and $54.40. Okay, so that is outfit 2, or outfit 1 really. And the next one, last one, is outfit 2 technically. A wrap dress and a necklace. So that's what the print looks like. What a great wrap dress. It will be perfect for dinner. Add a denim jacket if the night gets cooler. You can also turn the slip under the dress around for a higher neckline. Okay. The necklace complements the colors in the dress and adds the finishing touch. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so here's the necklace. It's got like a beaded at the top and then a Y that comes down with a little bar. Really cute. I love this style of necklace. Really, really cute. That's really pretty. Okay, and then the dress, hold on, it's gonna slip, so sometimes these can be a little tricky. Okay, and this is the Brave, oh my gosh, these colors are gorgeous. Brave Ashley wrap dress. Let me tell you the price on the necklace. The necklace, $7.99, and the wrap dress is $70.40. So that's about typical for a dress. Usually I know I'm gonna spend around $60 to $70 if I get a decent dress. So this is adorable, so cute. You guys can see the bottom. That's really, really pretty, and I don't have anything like that. And it's really soft. I love that it has the little slip underneath. It's really cute. Okay, so that is it for the last outfit. So I am going to try these things on for you guys, and I will be right back. Okay, so here I am with the t-shirt, the rainbow tee, and the shorts. I love the shorts. They fit really good. They're very comfortable, like a linen blend. And then this is the rainbow t-shirt. Again, I just did a front tuck with it, but I mean, you could totally wear it out if you were gonna wear, you know, pants or leggings or something like that. But I would definitely do like a front tuck with it. But I love this. I love these shorts. They're so cute how they come like up on the side. I think it's really flattering. It makes your legs look a little longer. So yeah, really like this one. Be right back with the next. Okay guys, whoops, I dropped my remote. So here is the pullover, and I put it on with the shorts so you could kind of see, because that was one of the outfits that she, you know, suggested you could kind of mix and match. It has kind of like bell sleeves, which I wasn't expecting, but they're not too long. I like them. They wouldn't get in my way. But it's super thin. It feels really good. I love the cow neck. This would be like the perfect transition piece, either from winter to spring or from summer to fall. I think it would be great. So I'm gonna put on the leggings and I'll be right back. All right guys, so here are the Spanx leggings. And I mean, just like I told you guys, they're really high-waisted. They're thick, they feel great. I'll stand over there, you guys can see. But I mean, they're just great leggings. And yes, they're a little more expensive, but if you're a leggings girl, they're worth every penny. And I actually like them with this little pullover too. I think it's really cute. So, all right, I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the smocked neck sleeveless top from Brave. And then these are the high-waisted skinnies from Seven for All Mankind. So I really like the jeans. They're just too long. So I had to like actually cuff them twice, which is fine. I don't mind wearing them cuffed, but I would like the option to not have to cuff them, if that makes any sense. So I really like them. They feel amazing. They are so soft and so comfortable. But this top is a total winner in my book. I love the colors. I love the way it's cut. I can totally wear this to work or wherever. It looks amazing with these black pants. But I mean, I can totally find some other black pants to wear with it. But I think this would just be beautiful in the fall with, you could do a cardigan or a denim jacket. I think it's really, really pretty. It's exactly my style. So this is definitely a winner for me. Tell me what you guys think though. And then again, the jeans I love. They fit amazing. I love the high rise. But they're just, I I don't know if you can see, but I had to cuff them like 2 times down here. But what do you guys think? I mean, they really are great. They do not feel like jeans at all. They feel like heaven. So yeah, really, really like these a lot. Okay guys, so here is the wrap dress, and I think I have it on correctly. I tied it kind of over to the side, but I'll get up on the chair so you can see the bottom. But it's really cute. I have on like the Y necklace with it, and it's more of like a choker Y necklace, so it's okay. It's not, I don't typically wear like the choker style, but I think it's kind of cute with this. This is what she was talking about. The slip comes down a little low, so you can flip it around, I guess, turn the slip part around and make it like a little bit higher necked, which might work. But it's really cute. It's different. I don't have anything, and I have on a black bra too. So let me hop up here so you can see the bottom. So this is what the bottom looks like. It's got like a little cross right here. And yeah, I think it's really cute. I think, I don't know, as far as like a transition piece, how much I would wear it, but I mean, I think it's cute. I think it's something different. What do you guys think? I think the print is really, really pretty. I love the colors. You could put probably a denim jacket on with it. Yeah, I don't know. Opinions. I need opinions on this one. The other ones I was pretty like set with, but this one's a little bit different. So, all right, guys, that is it for my Transcend. And I hope you liked it. Please leave comments down below. Tell me what I should keep or send back. I have 5 days. But yeah, I thought overall it was a really good box. I was really happy with almost everything in there. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below if you're new so I can say hello. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.